I'm part of 40 Squadron Maintenance, and our main job while we're here down on Exercise Skytrain is just to keep the herc serviceable and running so the other crews and the other units around here can partake in the exercise. Every morning before the first flight and in the last flight of the day, we're doing our dispatches for the aircraft, so making sure the aircraft's in a serviceable state before we send it out for the day. And at the end of the day, after the last flight, is an after flight and any other required maintenance that the aircraft will need. So whether there's broken light bulbs or topping up engine oils or anything like that. So it's making sure that everything that we do has been done to a safe and serviceable manner in accordance with procedures and being signed off by supervisors. We had a overstress on the rudder, so we had to perform some overstress inspections of the aircraft, which require the aircraft maintainers to go over and check for any cracks or ripples throughout the aircraft skin and stuff like that. Well, the thing I enjoy the most is probably the hands-on applications. For example, I could do all the flare loading for the wings over Wanaka, which is a pretty cool thing to do. Not very many people get to work with munitions or anything like that, so that's a pretty cool thing.